This is day 3? Day 3. Day 2. I think it's day 3. Day 2 we were at Disneyland. We were at Disneyland all day yesterday for 10 hours. Look at this dude. Got a hat. Did you have fun? Yeah, technically it's day 2. He's right. So we're just eating breakfast right now at Rodard. And then today's basically a chill day. Very sore and tired, so chill day, aka eat day. I might hit up the beach later if it gets warm. We'll go there. But we'll see. And I'll show you guys some food later. Forgot to vlog this, but we basically kind of smashed everything. How was it? My bad. I forgot to record us eating. It's okay, it's alright. Hold on. Miles, pick up your jacket. On to the next one. Yep, there's a place. Yo. Welcome to Newport Beach. I got my, hey, what's up? High five. I'm gonna go get some sandals. I don't have sandals, so I'm gonna pay like what, 30-40 bucks for some dumbass sandals. Some dumb sandals, sorry. And then I got this waterproof case for the GoPro. So right now I got it off, but once we get on the beach, I'll put it on, and the sound's gonna be a little muzzled, but that's okay. Where's Davis? Oh, sorry. Where's still sleeping? Want to chill here while I get my sandals then? Or you want to go together?
I'm gonna go together.
Okay. Gotta wake up Miles. Hey. Hi. Say hi. Go touch the water. Come back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't go so fast. Right here. Stand. Touch the water.
Everything changes.
right? She has a leash on her daughter. Come on, let's go.